I need help with my client.
Okay, what is the problem?
My client throws things, swears at staff, and doesn't follow the rules. And they drink too many pops. Right now, they are rewarded by going out to eat if they go 14 days with no behaviors.
What do you mean no behaviors? How can a person have no behaviors? Do you mean swearing? Throwing things? Not following rules?
No behaviors for 14 days.
Okay, whatever. So no behaviors for 14 days and they are rewarded by going out to eat. Who pays the bill?
They use their own money.
Let me get this straight. Your client, who is an adult, can't swear, throw things, or break any rules for 14 days, and then they get to go out to eat with their own money.
Yes.
It sounds goddamn ridiculous just saying it out loud.
What did you say?
Nothing. Tell me about your client's life. Does your client like their roommates?
No. Why does that matter?
Do they get to go out and spend their money?
Not really. Why does that matter?
So they can't just go and get a pop or go out to eat one day if they feel like it?
What? No way. Why does that matter? They drink too many pops. How do we get them to stop swearing? Maybe we should take away their pops if they swear.
Okay then. What do they do for fun?
They go shopping or out for coffee once a week. My client called me a piece of shit. How do I get them to stop swearing?
Wow, they have an exciting life, coffee and shopping once a week. They called you a piece of shit because that's what you are. How about I teach them how to punch you in the face?
What did you say?
Nothing. Do they help with chores around the house?
No, the staff do that.
Do they help with laundry?
No, the staff do that.
Do they cook or clean? Get the mail? Look at their paychecks and pay bills? Do yard work?
No, the staff do that. How do we get them to stop swearing?
If I had nothing to do all day, I'd swear, throw things, break your stupid ass rules, and drink pop all day too.
Sometimes they get extra pops at work. Should we take away their pop at home? Do you think they should get a refill at a restaurant?
How about we teach them how to help around the house more? Do their laundry? Or make a budget?
How do we get them to stop swearing? Let's reward them with pops if they don't swear.
Who gives a shit about how much they swear or how many pops they drink? Just take them to a porn store, a strip joint, or out to get drunk. They are swearing, throwing things, and breaking rules because their lives suck and they aren't getting any action. Jesus Christ, it's not that complicated.